Solo tour, share car or reserve car. See the reality and you have to watch all the video. So, Dabbling homestay done, covered what kind of problem you can face in solo travel. As a girl, I am telling you, I have lots of experience this first solo tour in my own money. So, people often say कि अरे share चले जाओ. In Kalimpong or offbeat area, you won't get the car, like frequent car you won't get. Like NGP to Darjeeling, it is a frequent car if you don't want to stop anywhere. And yes, if you want to save money, you can go for the share car, but the problem is that you cannot change your destination. The share cab will take local people, and once the share car is full, then only they will leave. Otherwise, you cannot ask them to leave, start the car. Here, if you reserve the car, definitely the price will be high, but according to your plan or your health condition, you can change it. Like it's 7th of April 2026. Oh, by the way, my channel is Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Bas YouTube channel. So today in my bucket list there was no Shebukeshwari Kali Mandir, but when I was passing by and I said कि uncle ये এটা কি আছে, and Karma uncle can speak a very good Bengali also. So he said कि এটা খুব জাগ্রত কালী আছে. I don't do puja, but I feel like I go there. So when I went upstairs, I saw that it is Shebukeshwari Kali Mandir, and I saw pada Nokuldana, so I bought it and I gave it to the pujari. And one more thing, there won't be any photo you can buy of this Kali. You have to keep it in your mind. And after that, when I was in Delo, I stopped in Buddha Park. I saw it, and he was giving so many information. So if you're going for a share cab, you won't get information. Kalimpong, Darjeeling, Karshiang, every place has their own history. So if you want to know, you have to hire a car. And obviously, solo tour is really very costly. For a girl like me, it is definitely costly. I don't know if I can do it again or not, but yes, I have wished that I will do a solo tour, so I did it. And the car, you won't get a car frequently for the offbeat location. So for that, you have to hire a car. It will be better because you don't know the place. Even I am coming to Darjeeling from 2021, still I don't remember all the road properly, and I don't know all the places. So you have to be dependable on a good driver. In share cab, it is not possible because that is in a point drop, and after that you have to wait. It's maybe 1 hour or 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 1 hour, or if the car is coming, then also it can be possible that it is full with local people. So where is the seat? And then most of the time share car won't go to the homestay or your destination, so you have to walk a lot with the luggage. So keeping in mind, it's better you save the money, and after that you go for the solo tour. It is definitely expensive. Like I'm staying at Eden, this is the price I'm telling you right now. So it can be more, it can be less. Less it is not possible because petrol and everything, the prices are increasing. So my pickup is from NGP to Delo Park. Delo Park means Delo. I have only for the Delo paragliding, and after that drop at Eden. It is on 7th, and 8th I'm not going anywhere. I'm staying at Eden. As I said, the doubling incident is there. So after that, I will have a pickup from Eden to NGP on 9th. So for this, I have to pay around 7,500. So I did the paragliding. It is 3,500. Homestay here, that is 1,200 per homestay means Eden homestay, 1,200 per head. It's included breakfast and dinner. So if I have to take lunch, I have to buy it, because this is the remote area. You cannot go anywhere. It is not Darjeeling that you will go to places and you have everything. So you can calculate the cost of that. And if I'll go for the share cab from Darjeeling to, it will come to some place and Kalimpong, and from taxi stand I have to come towards a place. From there at least I have to walk at least an hour, and until unless the cab won't be full, it is not possible that they will start. So once I hired the car, I came to today is I came to NGP. Uttar Bongo was late, so 7 p.m. instead of 6:15, it came around 7 a.m. So I had breakfast at Kalpana Hotel. Driver uncle, Karma uncle is waiting for me, and we just started. But if I'm going for the what I can say, share cab, I have to wait till it is full. And I'm with Karma uncle, I have entire car, so I was sitting very comfortably, and then I was talking with him. I was getting lots of information about the Kalimpong city, and then I have seen places. And if I'll wait for that share car, I have to go for the Kalimpong. I have to wait, it will full. Then I will go to Kalimpong. From there I have to book another taxi, and then I have to go to the Eden. So, and Eden, till Eden there won't be any car. So my whole energy and whole day will be wasted. Whereas I get down from train, I did the paraglide, I see the Shebokeshwari Mandir, and I did the paragliding, I saw Buddha Park, and then after that I came to Eden. So that's it. So for solo or any travel, that is my father also say, you always better book a car. Solo I don't want to do, but I don't have any friends in here Kolkata. I am a very good tour planner, but I don't have any friends over here, so I have to go for the solo. uh, so this is the thing you have to keep in mind when you are going for the solo. Safety is always there. You can see, you already see that what is the Dublin incident happened, what is the paragliding incident happened. So you have to be very strong, and you have to be very honest, and plan it properly. You have to have a backup plan, and always have a very good driver. I will share Karma uncle's number also, so you can always Kalimpong area, if you are coming, you can always contact him. He's a very nice person like Rajesh.